and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making these delicious lemon pepper chicken bites. So delicious. To get started, I'm using 3 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. I am going to cut them into cubes or just regular bite size. Now you can also make this recipe by using chicken thighs as well, but for today's recipe using chicken breast. So I'm going to cut them into small cubes. Okay, now that we're done cutting all of the chicken, I am going to season. For the seasoning, I'm using onion and garlic powder. I'm using paprika, I'm using black pepper, a little bit of seasoned salt, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Yes, I am going to mix that together with a spoon, then sprinkle it all over the chicken. Next, we're going to pour in some hot sauce, and also I'm going to add some yellow mustard in there as a binder. And also, to make it nice and crispy, we're going to add 2 large eggs in there. Now you're going to mix until everything is well incorporated, and then you are going to cover this, allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes, or you can cook it right away. I am going to cover it, allow it to marinate though. So I'm going to use a saran wrap, cover it, place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Then I am going to pop it out and we're going to fry this bad boy. Now this is about 30 minutes later. I have a bowl here with about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I am going to place the chicken bite in there and cover it, give it a nice little shake just to make sure I dredge the chicken in the flour, and then we're going to fry these. I like to flour all of the chicken first, then I can fry them. Once I'm done with the last batch, I am going to preheat my oil on 350. Then I am going to place the chicken bites in there. I'm going to cook them for about 7 to 10 minutes. Yes, some of them were bigger than the other, so I had to cook them a little bit more. But when they were done, they were nice and crispy. At first, it was giving me Chick-fil-A vibe because the texture was looking so beautiful. And then the only thing I was missing, honestly, was just the pickle juice to give it that sour taste, but it was giving Chick-fil-A. Now time is up. I am going to remove them and set them to a cooling rack just to allow the excess oil to drip, and then I am going to transfer them to a large bowl. I went ahead and melt the butter, about 2 teaspoons of butter, and then I just pour it all over the chicken bites, and then I went ahead and sprinkled about 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. I use Lawry's. Be sure to use a good brand of the lemon pepper. I love, love, love lemon pepper, if you didn't know that about me. And then I am going to give them a nice shake just to make sure the lemon pepper is well coated on the chicken, and basically it's ready to be served. This recipe was fairly easy to make and it's so tasty. I'm sure the kids will love this recipe. This is it. It's looking beautiful and it tastes amazing. It's crispy. The inside were nice and juicy. And yeah, hopefully you try it for your family and come back and let me know how you like it. Be sure to like this video if it was helpful. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.